Hello, amazing class. Welcome to week 9. This week, you are going to use for the last 4 weeks, you have been compiling your budget and seeing how much you spend. This week, you are actually going to take that information and use it. So the first thing you will do is read Budgeting for Success. And this section gives you a lot of great ideas and tips on how to budget your money and avoid debt. So after you have read through this document, I would suggest that you quickly get started on the next assignment because this is going to take you a while. The big assignment this week for lesson 9 is the application activity, which is you compiling your budget. So you are going to click on the application activity template and it will bring up this document. Make sure once you're inside the document, you actually click on this budget template. As mentioned here, you will not physically submit this budget, but completing it will help you answer the questions in this template. And you're going to have to, I think, take snapshots of a few of the ideas that you create in your template. So here's the template I've downloaded. So the big thing that you will use this for is to organize or categorize your expenses from the most important to the least important. So, for example, if paying your tithing always comes before your mortgage or your rent, you will want to put that first. Okay, and then so I currently rent, so I'll put my rent in here. I don't have a car payment, so that's not needed for me. My insurance, and so just make sure that you put in your items based on their importance, and whether you are married, single, you need to put them in order of most important. So for example, before I have entertainment, I am going to put clothing for my children, and that actually comes before my house supplies. And then the next thing that I'm going to put in is parties, because I currently have an 8-year-old and an 11-year-old, and I live in a city that has lots of children. So you need to make sure and organize your categories in a way that best fits your individual family needs, okay? So while you will not submit this document, you will use it to answer questions found in the application activity, okay? Please contact me if you have any questions about how to do the application activity, since it is the biggest assignment we have this week. Have a great day.